Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good. I'm in Goa and this is New Goa Airport. Highlight of this airport is outside landscape. It is really beautiful. I'm staying in Resort Rio and in this video I will give you a room tour of Duplex Suite. So let's go to my room now. Duplex Suite offer 2 bedrooms, one in ground level and one is on top. This is the ground one. Offers an elegant interior with a king size bed and spacious terrace with beautiful river and Rio pool view. Bathroom is well designed with hand shower and rain shower and bathtub. This is the bedroom on top. Offers a king size bed with a sitting area. Room has private bathroom which offer rain shower and hand shower. This room is very comfortable for a family or group of friends. I'm staying with my colleagues and we are really having a great time in this room. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos and subscribe my channel. This is Ritesh Singh signing off today and see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.